Hey everybody, welcome back to the Print 3D channel. Today is June 12th, and that means day 163 of the 3DP 365 project. And on today's episode, we printed out the Hero Blaster from Total Recall, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back, and thank you for joining me here for day 163 of the 3DP 365 project. As always, down in the description there's a facts section. There's also the MatterHackers affiliate link. If you're in the market for some new filament, just use that MatterHackers affiliate link and you really help out the channel. On today's episode, we printed out the Hero Blaster from Total Recall, the remake of Total Recall, not the original one with Arnie. But this is from the remake, and it's actually based on a real gun too, so this is very cool. And our print turned out really awesome. And I'm actually holding it together. It comes in 4 pieces plus some locking pins to help you put it together. But I'm actually holding it together, so let me pull it apart for you. There's 4 pieces, like I said. There's the 2 halves of the barrel assembly. And then there's the 2 halves of the grip. Whoop, just dropped one of the little pins. And then you print out, it comes with a couple of little pins that you can use to put the grip together. Because there's 2 little slots in the back for you to drop these little pins in. And then it prints out this little rectangular piece, and I'm not exactly sure what that's for. But nonetheless, our prints turned out really great, and I'm super happy with the results. This will be a fun one to really finish. And this was more of an experiment print to do some of my finishing testing on. And I really wanted a cool prop weapon that I liked from a movie I liked. And I actually enjoyed the remake with Colin Farrell. I thought it was pretty entertaining to watch. It's not as campy as the original movie with Arnie in it, but it is a good movie. And the parts themselves, they all go together really easy. These 2 go together with those little pins, and they just stick together like that. And then the 2 barrel pieces, they just go together. There's no real locking mechanism. And I'm thinking maybe that square piece was for, let me see if I can get this right. That square piece was for the little opening there. But in the actual movie prop, there's an LED here. So I don't know, maybe they just left it open, but the pin is way too small. It'll just fall out if I put it through there. But these 2 pieces, they printed out very good, and I'm super happy with the results. There's a lot of top layers on here, and they're very smooth. It's not going to take a whole lot of sanding. Well, it's always going to take a lot of sanding, but not nearly as much because there isn't any burrs or any problems with these prints. And they turned out really good. And of course, we printed these with MatterHackers PRO PLA in the color of gray, which is a really good color to use for when you're making prop weapons. And we downloaded this from MyManufacturing. And once we had it downloaded, we sent it over to Simplify3D for slicing. In Simplify3D, we used a 0.2mm layer height with 4 top layers, 3 bottom layers, and 3 perimeters. We also used only 10% infill on this model, and we ran this out at 40mm per second. And all the parts printed at once because I have a gMax 1.5 XT Plus and I have a huge build volume. So I printed out everything at once, and it was about a 12-hour print. It wasn't too bad. And the results are awesome. I am very anxious to finish this little prop weapon. This will be a good one to test some of my finishing techniques on. And plus, when it's all done, I'll have an actual prop weapon from a movie I actually enjoyed, the Total Recall movie. So this will look really cool on display once it's all done. And again, you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll put the link down in the description. And I'll keep you guys updated on the project as we go along. And like I said, this is kind of a test model to do some finishing techniques on, but I'm going to finish it to 100% done. So definitely follow me up on Instagram to see the finished piece. Well, that about wraps it up for day 163 of the 3DP 365 project. I hope you guys found this episode interesting and informative. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see the progress of all the different prop weapons we are doing. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share those videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.